So for my wool, I like to let it sit in the hot water for 20-30 minutes to let all the dirt fall off of it. And this is like how hot you would want a hot tub or a bath. I normally like to use it as hot as possible. There's no lanolin to come off this, so it doesn't really matter. This is alpaca fiber. But preference is really hot for me. And then I have a little bit of soap in there. We use this. I personally haven't found soap to be an issue. I am also working on a bar soap recipe for washing wool. I'm not too picky with the soaps that I use, but I have found some things that I do like in a wool wash. So when I get that done and cured, I will start using it instead of dish soap and see how I like it. So this will sit for a little bit. It smells, I like that. I love the smell of fiber, as long as it's not a poopy fiber. But this fleece felt really clean. There's some vegetable matter, but mostly it's clean. I do tiny batches so that it can loosen up in there and not be packed in. And my friend Noelle got me these bags of alpaca, and I think there's 3 of them. Hey, don't play with it, bud.
I'm just pushing it down for me.
What happens if you mess with it too much? Ooh, he got us a lot of water. So very carefully, we're going to scoop some out.
Okay. Twist it.
Don't twist it, but just push it. Push it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Drop it in that water.
I'm going to get a little bit more out.
Hey, is that all?
Okay, so
comes on the bottom.
Yes, I'm going to talk on the camera a second. This is a little tiny piece, so we're just going to chuck it. So we didn't twist the fiber like you would a wash rag, but we just pressed it out. And we're going to move it over to the other pot to rinse, because this has a tiny bit of soap in it. I mean, this one did. This one's clear, because I don't expect to have to rinse it twice.
Yep.
Yep. So now I'm just going to take this water and dump it down this hill. And then this one will sit here for about 20 minutes or so. And then I'll take it out and show you what we do next. Woo! Candy.
Here. Can I have tutoring? This one?
No, this isn't what we're doing yet. You're going to get new. This one's rinsing. This one's going to wash.
Can I add soap?
No, Mom's going to, because I literally just want 2 drops.
2 drops.
If you see little sticks and stuff, don't put it in.
Okay. Oh, here it comes. I'll throw this part, okay? See? Stick stuff.
Oh yeah, you don't pull out everything, you just pull out the sticks.
Okay. There's some more sticky stuff.
Very good.
Stick stuff. Hey, it's hanging on the table.
That's alright. Well, hey, just set it on the table what you don't want, and then we'll fill up the pot.
I got food.
You can get a lot before you push it down. That's what I do.
I got my hands wet when I...
Yeah, that's why I wait a minute.
Then I get a lot more. Push it down. Oh.
I'm going to let you push it down, but I'm just looking for sticks and stuff. See what else there is. Here, wait. Don't push it down yet. These are guard hairs.
Guard hairs?
Yeah, they don't spin up as nice.
Is this a guard hair?
No. These are super short. You can't really use those.
The short thing?
They're called second cuttings.
Oh,
because they didn't get it all cut off at the first time, so they went back and did it again. Oh, yeah. That's a little funny thing.
Yeah. Oh, and this one?
Yep, that's guard.
Well, why was it stuck?
Well, because they grow guard hairs and wool. No,
what?
That one's fine.
I'll put it in the pot then.
Okay, get some more. One more big chunk, probably.
Look, there's gold hairs on it.
Yep.
Oh, here's a gold hair.
Here's
Is
this.
this a gold hair? Is this a gold hair?
Yep.
Is this a gold hair? Any of this?
I don't think so.
Grab that bit. And see
Okay,
if
throw it in.
all of it? No, they're not gold hair.
Not all of this, but most of this is a decent
Hot water.
4, maybe 5 inches of,
Okay,
probably 4. Probably 4 inches of, don't move it too much. Just push it straight down and let it sit. Because if we shake it around, what happens?
we need all of it wet.
It sticks together. Yeah. So just push it all the way down to the bottom. Here, you got a handle in your gut.
Yeah.
This was poking you. Okay, so now just push it all the way down to the bottom.
All the way down to the bottom.
Yeah.
All of it?
Yep.
Is this one that...
Yep, that's something to throw out. Yep, this is too short. So the goal with this part is to get the dirt out of it.
And push every dry spot out.
Yep, I think we're good. I think we can quit wiggling it. Just right here. Do that part. So each step of the way, you want to get it a little bit cleaner. So right now, our main focus is dirt. And then we also look for vegetable matter, which is hay, sticks, cockleburrs, poop.
Alright.
Not really vegetable matter, but you look for it and try to get it out. When I'm doing the rinses, or this is a wash, this is a rinse. When I do this, number one goal is get rid of the dirt. The extra things are get rid of the guard hairs. And get rid. Okay, but wait. To get rid of the guard hairs and to get rid of the vegetable matter as well, and also some second cuts. Second cuts are just what they say. They are. They didn't get it all in the first pass, so they went back a second time and got it. Which, if I had animals and I didn't get it all with the first pass, I would leave it and wait till next year. A usable product if you let it grow out. So then whenever I move it over to here, if I see into the rinse pot, if I see more, I'll take it out then. When I move it onto the drying racks, if I see anything, I'll pull it out then. But there's several steps along the way to be pulling out things that don't belong. I can help you, yes. Okay, so we're back. I'm going to pull out what's in the, what's in the rinse pot. And the water is super clear, like clear. Since this water is clear, I'm going to drain off all the water. Some more dirt's coming out now that I'm squeezing it. Probably shouldn't have squeezed it over the pot.
You can't have that pot?
Yeah, it's done rinsing.
Know what to call it?
No, we have to let it dry. Hey, you're in front of the camera, bud. You want to come to this side of the table?
I want to help you put that on. I take everything on the tray, and not everything. Some of the wool.
Oh, don't touch that wool.
Oh.
That wool still, I want to let it soak a little bit longer.
Add some to it on the tray.
Yes. So right now what we're doing is spreading it out to dry.
I'm going to
Spread it out more. And then look, I found a piece of straw.
Oh yeah, we did not see that.
Nope.
And
can you get it?
The straw. Yep.
There you go.
Look, straw stuff. What is it from? Oh, say who got that wool for us.
Oh, our friend Noelle gave us this wool.
Yeah.
She's a super kind friend, and she...
like Joelle's name?
Yeah, it is like Joelle's name, you're right.
Because Noelle like Joelle?
Yes.
She's named
and she's sweet like Joelle, too.
She's named like Joelle.
Yep. It's very similar.
She's named after Joelle, right?
Nope, Joelle was named later than her, so she was named first.
She's named after who? Joelle was named after her.
Noelle is older than Joelle.
Joelle was named after Noelle.
I'll do this so you don't get hairy fingers.
And I'm in the white. And then I'm in the cold, right?
Well, we have to have dry wool to card.
Yeah, well, we're drying this and it's almost dry.
Also, I think what you're talking about,
Look, this is almost dry.
it won't be dry today.
Oh, yeah, that thing that goes.
You're talking about the picker.
No, the thing that
It,
does this.
yes, that's called a picker. And it fluffs the wool.
What's it called?
Carder is the thing that we crank it, or we have two paddles and we do this.
Oh. Wait,
Yeah,
Mama.
we'll show you. We'll show you.
Yeah.
It won't hurt you, but I don't recommend it.
I actually ate some.
Yeah, that's why you want to make sure that you're not eating until you make sure you don't have any hair on your hands. So this was a lot smaller amount that I washed this time. So that's probably why this water isn't as dirty.
Almost, so I have to put back in your pocket.
You gotta save it again?
Yeah. The label.
Yeah. So then when Judah comes back, I'll trade in
We
pots.
showed all this dirty water.
Should we show it to them?
We have this.
This dirty water.
It's really dirty.
It is.
Can I dump that?
I'm gonna let Judah because it's very heavy. Just trying to figure out why it was taking so long and then realized you don't know that I don't need it all. Alright.
Then lots of water.
So now what do we do?
Dump it in there.
Yeah, but wait. When you dump it in here, I want you to kind of spread it out so it's not just a big blob. You can just shake it out. There you go. Alright, so now what do we do?
I don't remember. Cold.
No? We let it sit. We come back in a little bit.
Then we come back in a little bit, put it on the tray again.
Yeah. We'll make more room on the tray and put it on the tray.